Okay guys, so today is going to be how to get the engine codes or computer codes out of a 1991 Ford Bronco. I actually did a few searches on YouTube and found a couple guys who have done this with F-150s and whatnot, but maybe only one Bronco. So anyways, this has the 5.8 Ford in it, EFI with the E4D. Anyways, it's E4D transmission. Whatever. Anyways, basically in order to get the codes out, you want to find these two connectors under the hood on a 91, or is it 87 to 91. They should be over here. I don't know if they changed them on the newer body styles in 92 or not. I know this will only work up to a 96 Ford. As far as I know, all the F-Series this will work on, including the Ranger. This might even work on the Explorer at the same time, but anyways, hopefully you guys can see something there. Yep. In order to get the computer to go into code reading mode, you need to take something and jump two of these terminals. I happen to have an alligator clip handy here, so this will work. Just take and hook one into this one by itself. And you could also take this and hook it to the negative terminal on the battery or a ground somewhere, but I recommend the battery. And then from what I was watching on the YouTube video, you take and put it into that terminal there. So hopefully you guys can see what's going on there. Show it again just in case. Now, I have already actually done this to this motor, and I now know what the problem is. But I'm going to show you guys how to read the codes inside using the check engine light. And hopefully it'll work this way. I haven't tried it this way. I used the connecting it to the negative battery terminal post, and that worked. I haven't tried this way yet. So I'll just start out by saying first you just put the key in the ignition and turn it to the on or run position, as they call it. This will be a key on engine off test. There's also a key on engine on test, but I'm not going to get into that in this video. I may do that in a separate video later. So here we go. See, it didn't work this way. So I'll do the way I did it before. Pretty sure it's the right terminal, but okay. So anyways, that didn't work. See what I get for trying new things in videos, guys? Okay. So make sure whatever you're using is securely in the connection, the one wire by itself, and connect the other end of that wire to the negative battery terminal. I'm trying to do this one-handed. This did work yesterday, so try it again. Just make sure that's not grounded. Alright. Okay, then we'll turn the key on again and see what it does. That time worked. You'll hear it'll flick a bunch of solenoids and different things, and now it'll start flashing codes. Two, 21, 66? Or 63? That might be 63. Hmm. 2. 21. 2. Sorry for the shaky camera. I lost track of that one. $63. 2. I think that was a 25. I'll have to look up what 25 is. I got a flash there. Now I think it should be going into memory mode or something like that. I think so. Yeah, maybe that's it. Alright, so I'll watch back through the video and see what codes I got. Doesn't seem like I'm getting any more here. I only got code 63 out of it yesterday, so thanks for watching, guys, and just so you guys know, that code 63 is throttle low return voltage from the throttle position sensor, which makes sense because the engine is idling at about 2 grand and the transmission is not shifting correctly. And since it's an electronically controlled transmission and it doesn't know where the throttle is set at, it won't shift right. So that makes sense, and that's what I'm going to try changing. So thanks for watching, guys.